Konnichiwa, noodle enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Japanese cuisine to uncover the hidden secrets of Zaru Soba. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds and discover some lesser-known facts about this elegant and refreshing Japanese dish. Let's get started. Zaru Soba, a popular and beloved noodle dish in Japan, features cold buckwheat noodles served on a bamboo tray called a zaru. But did you know that Zaru Soba holds intriguing facts that go beyond its simple presentation? Join us as we uncover some unknown secrets about this delectable and satisfying dish. A symbol of simplicity and elegance, Zaru Soba exemplifies the beauty of simplicity in Japanese cuisine. The dish showcases the quality and natural flavors of buckwheat noodles, emphasizing minimalism in presentation. The unadorned bamboo tray, often accompanied by a dipping sauce and toppings, adds a touch of elegance to the dining experience. Buckwheat's nutritional goodness. Buckwheat, the key ingredient in Zaru Soba noodles, is a highly nutritious grain. Not only is it gluten-free, but it also contains essential minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Buckwheat is known for its potential health benefits, including improving heart health and supporting digestion. Enjoying Zaru Soba allows you to savor both the taste and the nutritional advantages of this ancient grain. Dipping for flavor. One of the unique aspects of Zaru Soba is the dipping sauce that accompanies the noodles. Known as tsuyu, this flavorful sauce is a combination of soy sauce, mirin, dashi broth, and other ingredients, creating a perfect balance of umami flavors. Dipping each strand of soba into the sauce adds a burst of taste and enhances the overall experience of enjoying Zaru Soba. The art of slurping. In Japanese culture, slurping noodles is not only acceptable but encouraged. When enjoying Zaru Soba, the art of noodle slurping is embraced. Slurping not only cools down the noodles but also aerates them, enhancing the flavors and adding to the overall dining experience. So, don't hesitate to slurp your Zaru Soba with gusto. Versatile toppings. While Zaru Soba can be enjoyed on its own, it's common to add toppings to enhance the flavors and textures. Popular choices include thinly sliced green onions, grated daikon radish, shredded nori seaweed, or tempura bits. These toppings provide a delightful contrast and additional layers of taste, making each bite of Zaru Soba a culinary adventure. Soba appreciation. Soba noodles, including Zaru Soba, hold a special place in Japanese culinary traditions. They are celebrated during events like Tashikoshi Soba, where people enjoy soba noodles on New Year's Eve to symbolize longevity and bid farewell to the old year. Soba making and soba eating contests are also held throughout Japan, showcasing the appreciation and love for this beloved noodle. There you have it, noodle enthusiasts. Zaru Soba, with its elegance and refreshing qualities, holds many unknown facts that make it even more special. From its simplicity and health benefits to the art of slurping and soba appreciation, Zaru Soba is a dish that embodies Japanese traditions and brings joy to the palate. We hope you enjoyed this exploration into the world of Zaru Soba and discovered some exciting facts along the way. If you haven't tried it yet, we highly recommend seeking out a reputable Japanese restaurant or trying your hand at making Zaru Soba at home. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more delicious food adventures. Until next time, happy slurping and savor every bite of Zaru Soba.